folks, welcome to Bezza's blog. Just on my syndicate here at Hamshall, peg called the Point. It's the peg that commands the most water here. There's fish all over the place. Right, sorry, start again. Just had to run out and stop the owner's dog eating my bait. So, as I was saying, there's fish all over the place. When I got here at sort of 5:15 this morning. I'm on here for a couple of days, Thursday morning till Friday evening, and it looks good. The weather's supposed to be good today. It's supposed to have a bit of rain, which might stir things up a little bit, but yeah, hoping to bag one out. I'll have a look at the peg in a second, show you the lake a little bit, and I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, this is the Point, and yeah, that's the owner's dog. He's always sniffing around looking for a bit of food, but he'll get nothing off me. Okay, so it's not the greatest of angles to show you the swim, but I'll position the rods. My left-hand rod, literally corner of this island, probably only a foot off the island, just there. I've baited up a little spot there. This place normally produces fish off the islands, tight in, so give that a go again. My middle rod, literally just out there to the right of the island. A little bit deeper water there, probably only about 4 foot. And my right rod, I just put out here towards some showing fish, just down here, not too far, around about six wraps, something like that. But the fish have been showing there all morning. But again, all on the surface. So I'm hoping at some point they'll get a bit hungry and dip down for a little bite. But again, you can see them. I don't know if you can see this in the picture. You can see them all moving there. Just it's hard to do this with this camera. Just there. So that's the lake. I've only fished this swim a couple of times before. It's probably not my favourite swim. I haven't quite mastered it yet. I've had a 30 off here earlier in the year, which is about, I don't know, 14 wraps out just towards the island, just there on a solid bag. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure it out and find out the best spots for it. I've had a lead around this morning when I got here, and some of the spots that were there previously don't seem to be there anymore, so whether the weeds coming up, I'm guessing that's what it'll be. Yeah. So you can see some action there in the water a little bit. Okay, well, I'll put this away now and I'll come back to you if we get any action. So, what am I using for bait? I'm on the DNA switch boilies, freezer boilies. On one of the rods I'm trying out the DNA half-tone pop-ups. I basically crumbed up a load of the switch boilies with some corn, some of the pellet that the owner provides here, and some of the DNA salmon oil all mixed in. see how we go. The rods have been in the water about 2 hours now. I've not had a touch, but again it's frustrating because they're all on the surface. But yeah, fingers crossed I'll be able to nab one. Okay, so here's the hardware. Got the Gray's Prodigy GT4 and a 3.5 pound Tesco cracking rod. Not had them long, but they do the job and more on here. Could probably get away with a 3 pound Tesco on this particular lake. But yeah, these will do me for when I get to France. Shimano XTD 14,000 cracking reel. They've been upgraded with the ice stroke washers as well, which makes a huge difference. Standard Delkim alarms. And I'm using a Corda 15 pound touchdown green. Sinks like a brick. Really good line. Got a lot of confidence in that line. And then the Jag Black pod, which is sexy as hell. Love that pod. Really lightweight, compact, sturdy. Yeah, fantastic. Alright guys, welcome back. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now. Not really had a sniff. It's really frustrating because I can see literally fish everywhere, and rather than sit on my spots and wait as I would normally, I've been chasing them. So the spots that I baited up earlier on, I've kind of come off them and chasing moving fish. But you know, that's worked in the past, but they're just not going down for it. So I'm a little bit frustrated. The heavens have just opened as well, so it's absolutely hammered it down. Really has come down heavy, and it looks like we're going to get some more throughout the rest of the day. So whether that stirs things up a bit, I don't know. But again, like I said, it's just frustrating because you know, you can see the fish everywhere, but actually getting one on the hook is another thing. I think I'm going to go out in a bit, and once the rain has stopped, and have a lead about and find some other spots. Just something to bait up for this evening, and hopefully later on. This place normally does bites sort of just before dark. That's when I usually get my bites on here. In fact, nearly all my bites have come pretty much just before dark. There's another big fish jumping. So yeah, frustrating, but I'm sure at some point we'll get one. Yeah, I was hoping to catch one jump out of the water then, but decided to keep his head down. Guys, follow me on Instagram if you like, Big Carp Crazy. Just see what we're doing down here at Hams. If you want to look at some clothing, the Unit Carp, it's a cracking brand, quality gear. Get yourselves on Instagram and follow them as well, and Facebook, the Unit Carp collection. Yeah, I'll come back to you if we have any action. See you in a bit. Okay guys, welcome back. It's still no action, but we have had an almighty hailstorm come down, and literally massive hail pellets everywhere. Just pushed the carp down. Still had no action. The place is literally soaked. As I said, bite time for me usually is just before dark, so fingers crossed I'll grab something before dark. At last, 23 pound mirror, little scaly mirror, literally off my spot on the island. I've been chasing these carp around all day like a madman, and decided to just settle down for the night, put them back on the spots. And this was the middle rod literally about a foot off the island, and just as I'd sort of got everything into the bivvy ready to get my head down, it's yeah, just massive drop back, and away it went. Not a massive fight, but yeah, got it in the net. So yeah, chuffed to bits with that. Again, just before dark, it's always the way on here, for me anyway. So I'm really chuffed to get that one in the bag. I blanked last time I came here, so yeah. Gonna get my head down now. Rods are set again. Put them back on the same spot and hope I get something. I'm still hopeful for another bite before I actually get to sleep. Morning guys, it's following morning, no action during the night. Obviously after I had that 23 little scaly mirror, put the rods back on the spot, and then just got my head down for the night. A few liners in the night, but nothing else. So it's just gone 9:30 now in the morning. Been up since about 6. Brought all the rods in, no bait on there, so they've obviously been done during the night, hence probably why I haven't had a fish. But they're back out there now. There's a spot to my right hand side which has been showing fish literally since I woke up. So I've put my right hand rod on there, just a single DNA switch boilie with a couple of freebies around there. So fingers crossed for another bite today. I'll come back to you if there's any action. So controversial subject coming up. Brown or red sauce with sausages. I've gone against the grain here. Normally I've red. Brown with bacon, red with sausage. But I haven't got any red, so I'm going to go with this instead. A little bit of breakfast. Can't beat a bit of warm food on the bankside. See, everything's calmed down today after yesterday's continual downpour. There's a chance it might rain again, but hey ho, this is fishing for you. So another fish, little 16 scaly mirror, just a little stocky off here. Yeah, the right rod, where I said was having all the bubbles and fish turning over in the water. I thought it was only a matter of time before that went. And he gave a big fight as well, much stronger than the 23 last night. So yeah, chuffed to bag another one today. Again on a single DNA switch boilie. Just over some freebies. So yeah, got till about 4 o'clock this afternoon. Got the rods back on the spots again. Just going to try and get one more. The wind's picked up now, so it's a little bit more difficult to see the fish showing on the surface. But yeah, chuffed a bit to get another one. Not the biggest of fish, but it's not what it's all about, is it? Yeah. Most people are packing up now. I think there's only me, and potentially one. I might be the only one on the lake at the moment. The chap opposite me, he's had a couple of fish out during the session, but he's just leaving now. Just trying to find a gap in the rain to pack up and go. But yeah, fingers crossed I'll get another one before we leave. Yeah. Don't forget guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Big Carp Crazy, get a look on there, get following. Drop me a message if you want to know anything, and also click subscribe. Any comments on the video, just put them below. Any questions you've got, just give us a shout, and I'll try and answer them as best I can. Right guys, thought I'd let you come and have a look at the lake a little bit. Okay guys, had no more fish. It's done nothing but rain again all day. I've already put the pod away, so just leave the rods there for, I don't know, another 15 minutes or so while I pack everything away. Just trying to pick a gap in the weather to pack away, so now seems like the best time. But yeah, look at the chickens. We'll get it all done. Until next time, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Big Carp Crazy. Follow the Unit Carp Collection on Facebook, and yeah, subscribe below. Any comments on that, put them down below and I'll try and answer them. Cheers, take care.